Hello people, here we are once again. So in the last video we were doing the UVC button. So in this video let's start with the bakes. Exciting stuff, huh? This method of bake is so perfect that you don't need anything else, any other thing. I do not explode model. I do not keep every model here and there and then try to bake. Nope. Let's fix the material and then we'll get straight to the bake. So let's delete all the history. For that, go to the material tab, which is the last of it, and break connection from the checker bed. What we had, this is the low poly. What we want to do, you just have to make sure of two things. Look at your high poly, look at your low poly, look at the names. The name should match and it have the high and the low suffix. So like for high poly, grenade body high, and for low poly, grenade body low, right? So on and so forth. Everyone, your setup should be like this, and it should have equal amount of objects. In high poly there are 4, in low poly there are 4, so we are good to go. Let's send them in our respective software, which is Substance Painter and Baker. Let's go. So file, export selection, and we'll export it in FBX. So let's do that. Export files. Let's do the folder called bake, grenade, low, and select all these, which are, if you hit this guy came in. I did not hit through. So once again, select all the low poly and then grenade low. Okay, say you just need to leave as it is. Make sure it's not triangulated. That's fine. And export. You can triangulate in Maya. That we'll do with mostly with our clothes and stuff. Now time for high poly file, export selection, and say name with this file name doesn't matter, you can keep anything, it's just that I keep it this way. Export. Both of them are exported now. We can save since we removed the connection from checker. Now we are in Painter, and my screen is so huge. Edit settings. Can we make it viewport scaling none? Okay, right? So that's the thing that we have. Cool. Let's restart Painter. Once you have set up that name according, I guess the viewport doesn't have to resize, but the setup I have shown you, high and low with suffix, you don't need to explode the object, it will happen automatically. Select whatever you want. In this case we would like to have PBR metal rough. Why not blend? Let's do that. Yeah, this we would like to have it in 2K. Select your low poly to this one. Big, low, and you don't want anything else. This on off doesn't matter. So on color management, file. Okay. Here we have our low poly. Now so the viewport controls, I might explain it in my long video, but while texturing, so it's same as my different. So we go to texturing, you can dock this here, go to texturing, and here you will find mesh maps, bake maps. We will deselect everything, we will only map bake normal. We'll test first by baking in Fiber. Dilation width will be 3. This is the gap between these We'll select a high poly. Max frontal distance 0.02 looks fine for me. I'll keep that for now. And anti-aliasing none. So I'm just trying to show you a test pic. Let's do that. We have just one material, so it is showing one. High and low, this is what we were talking about. This is what we kept and should be fine. Cool, we got all the details. Looking good. Since it's in 512, that's why it's like this. Let's bake it in 4K now. My nose is itchy. This time 8 by mesh name. We'll do by mesh name. Sorry, we forgot to do by mesh name. Now bake selected. It'll take its little time. It'll bake. It's cool. There we go. We've got our map in 4K, our grenade in 4K. It's looking sweet AF. All the details and everything came in nicely. Cool, right? Looking good. Okay. So let's start baking everything else, such as select all except normal. In ID, make sure you have material color. This is what we did in Maya. It'll give all the ID map. We have kept different material color for different materials. Everything else seems fine. I'll bake AO and thickness later because they are most heavy ones. I'll bake them in sampling too. So let's go. You've got all the bake maps here. You can press B to check them out. I am pressing tab to make it full screen. This guy full screen. B, here we have curvature, position, thickness if not there, normal, wall space normal, ID. This is what we made in Maya. Now it's here. Looking pretty sick. So let's bake the AO now. So invert select, turn off AO, go to common and do thickness, fine. Dude, hear it. Oh, it's fairly quick. My PC is fast. Oof. Here we go. Here's our AO. So, not bad. I guess it created this little things. Okay. Yeah, no problem there though. So, right, we'll fix that. We will fix that in Photoshop. We can fix that in Photoshop. Cool. We have got the bake right. So, if you like the video, if you learned something, hit the like button, subscribe, and because the next one is texturing, I will see you there. Save this one and see you there. Bye.